In the last video, we talked about the options available today to create wealth and beat the 40-year plan. And we introduced Lifestyle Galaxy as a complete solution for you to protect your money, multiply your money, and also create a passive income source. In this video, we're about to share with you an exciting way to start generating an income with Lifestyle Galaxy today without having to sell or recruit anyone. Now, one answer to the global economic downturn is to protect or hedge your money and take a portion of your assets out of fiat currencies. Now, fiat currencies are our normal US dollars, euro, yen, etc., and put it into what we call digital currencies. The first digital or cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency. This is a virtual currency that you can send to someone else as easily as sending an email. They're transferred from person to person via the net, but they don't go through a bank or clearing institution, which means they're not controlled by any one government or institution. Nowadays, you can trade freely with Bitcoin, which has become a widely accepted and mainstream method of payment. And even large companies like Virgin and Tesla now accept Bitcoins. Payments in Bitcoins have far lower transactional fees than through a normal banking process and can potentially have tax benefits as well. There are two popular ways to create money with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies: trading and mining. Trading is simply buying Bitcoin at a low price and selling it higher. However, mining is a far greater opportunity, and this is where the Lifestyle Galaxy platform can help you have a big advantage over the general public and other services out there. Because Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, the Bitcoin network is secured by individuals who verify each transaction. They are called miners. Miners are rewarded for this with a small portion of each transaction they verify and get awarded newly generated Bitcoins for their work. The challenge of mining is that only a finite amount of Bitcoin will ever be produced, only 21 million. And as time goes by, it will become more and more difficult to mine new Bitcoins because of the larger number of miners all competing for the same transactions. Therefore, it requires a large infrastructure and an even larger capital investment to make it profitable. Successful mines today are massive facilities with thousands of pieces of equipment. Therefore, the only way an average person like you and I can participate in mining today is through cloud mining. By purchasing a small part of a large facility and being a part of the whole pool where the revenues are then shared with everyone who shares the ownership of the equipment. Now, mining has other risks. It is becoming less and less profitable for the small mining facilities. Many of them are closing down quickly, for example, because of the increasing costs, such as energy costs. Also, several mine owners who were anonymous have unpredictably closed the mines, and therefore all of their cloud miners have lost everything they invested. Also, constant hacking and security problems are another challenge. So what is the solution? What if you could know the owners and know the mines are protected against hacking and are part of some of the biggest facilities in the world? Well, this is what we have in Lifestyle Galaxy. We have our own mining facility called Dragon Mine, which is the safest mining facility in the world. We partnered with one of the biggest mining facilities in the world that's owned by the best and most reputable professionals in the industry who've been mining profitably since 2011. This mine is mining 7 to 10% of the total Bitcoins in the world. This is the first time a top mining facility is allowing people like you and me to participate in cloud mining. They're allowing us to get access at a level and quality never before offered. As a result, we have the greatest mine on earth, called Dragon Mine. We leverage from the large mining capacity of one of the biggest mines in the world with our own security software, protecting it from hackers and making it the safest mine in the world. Our service gives you access to your personal dashboard where you can follow the mining with real-time updates. You can be paid daily in Bitcoins, and you're able to start using this money right away. You can even see how your money is multiplying every day. People have experienced as much as 10% monthly returns in the past. We want to make a huge emphasis that this is a highly lucrative but risky business. There is no guarantee that DragonMine will create revenue. Recently, we have added another cryptocurrency to our mine called Ether. Ether is used to execute peer-to-peer contracts on Ethereum. The Ethereum system has been described as the single shared computer that is run by a network of users and on which resources are parceled out and paid for by Ether. Like Bitcoin blockchain technologies, the decentralized network of Ethereum enables transactions without downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. In the last 6 months, the value of Ether in US dollars terms has risen from 50 cents to over $10 USD and has grown at the market cap of Ether, which has now surpassed $1 billion. Ether mining right now is experiencing an exciting period, going through its first proof of work phase, and many experts believe that the opportunity is equal to that when trading Bitcoin several years ago when it was first introduced, when many millionaires were created in a short period of time. Now, the most exciting thing is you don't need to know how to mine cryptocurrency. You don't need to know anything about security and protecting the mining equipment and software. In fact, many of our most successful members knew nothing about Bitcoin or Ether when they started and had never heard about them before. Well, at this point, Peter is so excited that he calls Mary and wants to know how to become a member of Lifetime Galaxy right now. But Mary patiently replies that all the details are in the third video and that he needs to watch all the videos until the end. Peter quickly clicks on the third video.